Morning, ma'am. Welcome to Vizcayana Hotel. Do you have any reservation, ma'am, in underway? Firstly, Agustin. May I assist you with your luggage, ma'am? This way to the front desk, ma'am. I have here Miss Marlene Agustin. Can you please check her name, please?
Sure, one moment, please. Based on our reservation list, you have a room reservation, ma'am, and your room number is 201. By the way, ma'am, this is Rayalyn, your bellman for today, ma'am. We will assist you to your room. Here is your...
This way to the elevator. After me, ma'am. Are you here for leisure, ma'am? Yes. Is it your first time to visit our hotel?
Yeah.
Okay, we're here, ma'am. This way to your room, ma'am. Here's your room, ma'am. Ma'am, can I have your key card to open this door for you, ma'am?
Yes, I can manage. Ma'am, what can I do?
Your luggage.
Beside my bed.
Ma'am, if you have any concern, don't hesitate to call front desk. Okay. Again, ma'am, I'm really your bellman, and enjoy your stay, ma'am. Bell service, bell service, bell service. Good morning, ma'am. Can I assist you with your luggage for your checkout?
Yes, of course.
This way to the elevator, ma'am. After you, ma'am. Moving on, ma'am. This way to the front desk. Again, this is Martin Agustin for checkout.
Housekeeping department, room 201 for checkout. All clear. We hope you enjoy your stay here in our hotel. We are looking forward to welcoming you again. Thank you, ma'am.